Hi everyone, I'm Tracy. I'm a registered acupuncturist and a yoga teacher. I like to combine both of those modalities to help you feel a little more limber, a little more vibrant, and a little more happy. So please join me in this chair yoga practice. Today is all about shoulder, neck tension, and maybe just either fatigue or discomfort in this whole upper back area. So we're going to be working on stretching and strengthening the whole upper part of the body. Okay, so to do this practice, we still need to make sure that we're sitting nice and firmly into our chair. I want you to have your feet hip width distance apart, knees on top of the ankle, shoulders stacked on top of the waist. Okay, we're gonna draw the belly in, lift up through the crown of the head, up to the sky. Okay, we're gonna start our practice with our hands on top of our thighs. And I always like to start the practice with a couple breaths. So I want you to close your eyes if you can, please. And go ahead and breathe in and out. This gives you focus so that you are arriving in this practice on your chair and in your body. Let's do one more breath. Inhaling and exhaling. Okay, open up your eyes if they were closed. You're going to take your arms all the way up. I want you to reach up to the sky. Reach, reach, reach. Interlace the fingers any which way that pleases you. Reach up to the sky. Breathe in. And then exhale, breathe out, swaying to the side. So when we sway to the side here, it's very important that the sits bones are rooted into the ground and so are the feet. Okay, tight belly. Come on up, breathing in. And exhale to the other side. Fantastic. Inhaling up. And let's go ahead and release those fingers and take the arms down. Okay, nice and gentle. Breathe in, touch your fingers, and release them down. Breathe out. Again, breathing in and releasing, breathing out. So we're kind of gauging how do the shoulders feel right now. Breathe in and breathing out. Good. Let's go ahead and take the right arm up. So I'm going to mirror you. Both shoulders are relaxed. We're going to go ahead and sway to the side. Now, if you have arms on your chair, go ahead and place them on the arms. You can grab onto the chair or just leave them nice and loose. Breathe in, come on back up, and sway to the side. And when we're doing this, I want you to focus on stretching into that side of the body. One more time, breathing in and breathing out. Good. Come on back up and release. We're going to always try to connect breath with movement. Inhale, exhale to the side, rooting sits bones into the ground, into the chair, breathing in and out. Inhaling, tall spine, and exhaling, breathing out. Great. Come on back up. Inhale and exhale, release. We're going to go ahead and roll those shoulders. Nice big rolls. Let's go for one more, and let's go the other way. 3, 2, don't forget to breathe, and 1. Perfect. I like to take my fingers on top of my shoulder, so nothing grippy, just gentle, soft fingers here. Go ahead and take one elbow up and bring it around. Other elbow up, bring it around. Up and down. Now connecting breath with movement. In and out with the breath. Inhaling, exhaling, breathing in, breathing out. Let's do one more on each side. Perfect. And let's go the opposite way. So try to bring them up and around, opening up the upper back in the back. And don't forget to breathe. No strain on those wrists or the fingers, just movement with breath. Remember, motion is lotion. Good. I want to do one more on each side here, please. Perfect. Let's go ahead and release the arms, sitting nice and tall, feet planted into the ground. Lift the shoulders up, breathe in, and release. Oof. Let's do that again. Breathing in and release. One more time, breathing in and release. Now, I want you to take your arms all the way up. I want you to touch the fingers and open them up. Show me your yoga fingers outstretched and show me a nice goal post where your arms are almost in a 90-degree kind of angle here. Perfect. Now, if it's too much for the shoulders, depending how tight things are, go ahead. If it looks like this, that's okay too. So it's your practice, your yoga. You need to always make sure you're comfortable in anything that you're doing. And if anything feels uncomfortable, don't do it, right? Okay, so we're gonna be right here. Show me your yoga fingers. Give me a little wiggle with your fingers. Whoosh. You do that enough, you're gonna start to feel fatigue in those forearms, but that's good too. Okay, so a little bit of strengthening here and stop, extend. Now, breathe in, tight belly, crown of the head lifted. We're gonna twist, breathe out. Good, come on, back to center. Breathing in, tight belly, breathing out. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, stop here, breathe out, release the arms. Now we're gonna change the breath, okay? We're gonna start to twist with the exhalation, okay? So inhale, exhale, twist. Kind of making our bellies a little bit tighter here. Breathing in, exhale, twist. But we're still working our upper back. Inhale, exhale, twist. Breathing in, chest up. Exhale, twist. We're gonna do one more. Inhale, exhale, twist. Breathing in, exhale, twist. Good. Breathe in and release. Let's go ahead and do those shoulder shrugs. Breathe in. Oh, one more time. Breathing in and breathing out. Let's go ahead and take the arms all the way up and go ahead and do a nice big stretch to the side. Good, come on back up and release. Other side, breathe in and stretch. In with the breath and exhale, breathe out. Now we're gonna take the fingertips up and I'd like you to squeeze those shoulder blades behind you while lifting the chest up. Okay, show me those yoga fingers. Good, so we're upper back strengthening here. Breathing in, touch, and squeeze. Good, breathing in, touch. Breathing out, squeeze. Breathing in, breathing out, squeeze. Now I want you to touch and bring your hands into a fist. Squeeze, good. Breathing in, touch. Breathing out, fist, squeeze. Chest up, belly tight, breathe in. Exhale, squeeze. Good. Up and release. Breathe out. Okay, we're gonna do that side stretch to just loosen things up. Soften. Great. Come on back up and release. Other side up and release. Good. Breathing in and exhale. Now, I'd like you to take your hands in front. Now, when we take our arms in front, it's very often we overextend the shoulder. We don't want that. So go ahead and bring your arm back so it's nice and comfortable, just stretched in front. Okay, try to have your arms parallel to the floor. Still our belly's drawn in and we're lifted up through the crown of the head. So a really nice posture here. In this position, I want you to imagine you're opening up to some doors. So we're working on our dexterity of our fingers. Come into a fist position because you're holding into those doorknobs and then you're gonna pull back. So see how my elbows are nice and close to my body? I'm gonna bring my elbows nice and close to the body and as though I'm gonna kind of like give somebody a little like jab in the back, okay, from behind, this little elbow. Nothing aggressive, but just boom, we're gonna pull it back, chest up, okay? So go ahead, open the doors. Breathe in, come into a fist, pull them back with a little oomph. Good. Again, breathing in, breathing out, pull them back, and a little jump at the back. Perfect. Again, breathing in, breathing out, pull it to the back. Excellent. Keep that nice open chest and back straight. Breathing out. Again, breathing in, breathing out. You're gonna do 3 more. In, and out. Again, breathing in and out. Last one, in and out. Good. Shake out the arms. Go ahead, take the left arm up, give it a nice sway. Inhale, lifting up, release, other side, lift, and release. Good, come on back up, and release. Now from here, I'd like you to take the arms in front. Okay, and this time we're gonna pull our hands into a fist and as though we're pulling back just like this. Great, so the elbows are not going in, but rather they're going out, okay? Out and pulling, okay? So we're pulling, imagine you're pulling this bar, almost like we're doing that rowing action, but we're not hinging at the hips, okay? So take the arms out, go ahead and pull, hold onto that bar, and then pull. Good, again, taking the bar, pulling, okay? Chest up, lift up through the crown of the head, and pull. Great, breathing in, breathe out, pull. Awesome, breathing in, and pull. Two more. Breathing in, squeeze those fists, pull. Again, breathing in and pull. Good. I love that. Release and shake out the arms. Go ahead and take your arms down into this hands on top of the elbow position and go ahead and lean forward just slightly. In this position, I'd like you to take one arm down. I'm gonna go ahead and take I'm mirroring you, so my right arm is down. Let's go ahead and take the left arm up for a nice open side stretch. When we do this stretch, I want you to open up the hip, so don't root it down and keep it square. Open the hip, open the chest, and breathe in. Nice little high five to imaginary wall or imaginary person here, or maybe your family member. Hello, high five. And release. Scoop down. Other side. Hello, high five. Opening up the hip and chest. And release. Again, 3 times a charm. So you're going to go 2 here. Breathe out. Other side. Up and down. Up. This is our last one. And down. High five to the last side. Breathing in and breathing out. Now to get out of this position, we need to tighten our belly muscles and push up. Breathe in. And breathe out. Go ahead and take your hands on top of the thighs, breathing in for a nice cow pose. And then go ahead and do a nice cat pose. Fingertips reaching to the front of the knees. Draw your belly in, draw your chin into the chest. Excellent. Breathing in and out. One more time. Breathing in and out. Excellent. Okay, from here, go ahead and take your hands out in front, making sure they're not extended too much. We're going to pretend we're playing this imaginary piano from one side to the other. Remember, we're working on our upper back. This is almost to the end of our practice whenever we're starting to do a little more turns. I always like to end the practice in a little bit of twisting because I find that that's really beneficial. So we're doing a little twisting here as we work the fingers and the forearms. Okay? Good. Now take that up into a nice little rainbow from one side to the next. Don't forget to breathe and smile. And I'm still waving in. If you want to do little dance hands, a little magic hands, go ahead. Shake. Feels so good. Good. Come all the way back up, reach, and release. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and do a twist. We're going to make sure our feet are nicely firmly planted into the ground still. Go ahead and take your left hand to the outside of that right thigh. The other hand should be nicely planted close to your sits bones. Breathe in to lift and lengthen right up through the crown of the head. Breathe in here and exhale, twist. Breathing in, lift and lengthen. And don't forget to twist. Breathe out. Now I like to really consciously remind myself to relax my shoulders. Breathe in and exhale, twist. Great. Inhale and then exhale, come out and unwind. We'll do the other side. So right hand to the outside of that left thigh, left hand going to the back, and nice sits close to the sits bones. Inhale, lift and lengthen, and exhale, twist. Breathing in, lift and lengthen. Exhale, twist. One more time, breathing in and exhale, twist. Relax those shoulders. Inhale and then exhale, unwind. So just to close this practice, I like to tap out the meridians of the upper part of the body. This is very consistent with my Chinese medicine practice as an acupuncturist. So we believe in tapping out or pressing acupressure, or even, of course, the needles that go right into the body. So if we're going to go ahead, I'm going to take my hand to a gentle fist. It can be a fist or it can be a nice cupping hand. And I like to tap at the top of my shoulder. Tapping here really activates or helps to release gallbladder 21, which is a very common point that I see with people who have neck and shoulder tension. But it's also great for people that is internalizing a lot of stress. So we hold it right here. We're going to just tap it out. And we're just doing this, even if you don't believe in any of that, just the physical practice of doing and strengthening and moving this part of the body, it helps to tap out any sort of stagnation in the body. So we're going to tap it out here. And then I want you to go ahead and tap all the way down to the fingers. I'm going to turn my hand, I'm going to tap on the inside of the body. Okay, I'm going to come across, right across the chest, just nice and gentle, right across. I'm going to go ahead and tap the other side, right at the top of my shoulders or my traps. Okay, so you can go hard or soft, it's your choice. And then come all the way down. Don't forget to breathe. Do not hold your breath, please. And then turn the palm up, tap on the inside. It feels really great. I'm going to come on tap across. And then now I'm just going to rub it all out. So I'm going to press down, breathe, and come all the way across, down, and up. Okay, I'm just going to do that one more time because it feels so good. All the way across, down and up. And it's a nice kind of, you're patting yourself. You're saying, you did a great job. And you awarding yourself with a little bit of just self-love here, okay? So that completes the end of our practice. I really appreciate you joining me. We're going to end our practice with our hands on top of our thighs. If you want to close your eyes, I think that's a great idea if you can. Please breathe in and out. And just for this moment, notice how you feel. Did the physical practice of yoga and maybe a little bit of that Chinese medicine practicing of tapping and massaging the meridians. Do you feel a little bit more at ease? A little maybe less grumpy? The upper body feels a little more refreshed, a little more alive. Take one more breath here. Notice if there's a difference from the beginning of your practice to now. Inhale and exhale. Well done, everyone. Thank you for joining me. It's been a pleasure. Please leave a comment. Check out some of my other videos. Namaste.